guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I probably see you have installed the EasyFax, so now we can launch it. This is that one, okay. Now add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Then tap on the plus and choose source of your document, like a gallery. If you're ready, click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. Now just add this a shape to your document or to your animal and click the arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver, and you can also add the signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. And now type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and if you want to add more documents for this list, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.